Hey friends out there, I am on another sandy beach about to get grounded, but I have some news. I'm going to be sharing this grounding practice in person and online on Earth Day because it's a great opportunity for us to show some love to Mother Earth. And with this grounding practice that I've uncovered from playing on these beautiful pristine beaches of Costa Rica, I have uncovered a secret treasure in these grounds, and it's from Mother Earth that we can really heal ourselves in a beautiful and powerful way, and I want to share that with you a little bit. So I will be teaching a grounding class on Playa Negra in Guanacaste, Costa Rica at 7 a.m. on Earth Day. That's Saturday, April 22nd. And then I'm going to also offer a grounding workshop online, and that's going to be at 1:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 10:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. And that's going to be a 90-minute class. We're going to be inside because we're going to be using the online system, but I am going to show you and explain to you some of the amazing grounding techniques that I have come up with. We'll practice some things even though we'll be indoors. That's okay, and you can then take what you learn and apply it to Mother Earth in your own time. All right, so that's it. That's what's going on. Mark it down on your calendar. Earth Day with me, Lisa Chavez. We're going to get grounded. We're going to show love to beautiful Mother Earth. All right, I'll see you then. Ciao for now.